How to get hero fragments in Mobile Legends? Let's get started. The easiest way to get tons of hero fragments is through events and mission. If you are new, then on your main screen tap on the newbie and claim your free fragments. Mobile Legends give you free hero fragment just for playing. Now tap on the chest icon in the main lobby. Your hero fragments get unlocked when you earn medals in matches. The more you play, the more you get. If you wish to unlock heroes without spending battle point, go back and click on the shop at the left side of the screen. Scroll down and select the fragment option at the last. Use your hero fragments to buy the heroes. Additionally, you can get free hero fragments. Use the lucky spin and magic wheel. In the same section, select the draw option. Then click on the magic wheel and claim your first time free spin. Tap on the OK button to obtain the reward. Furthermore, select the lucky spin and use the ticket to spin and win hero fragments. For the first time user, there is a free spin. So tap on the free option. Again tap on the OK to obtain the reward. So that's it. This is how you can get hero fragments in Mobile Legends.